Hello, welcome WBP Stars. My name is Frederik. I will show you now around in the wine cellar of a restaurant in Boury. Follow me. So here we have our daily cellar. This is actually our wines that we sell by the glass and our wines that we give in the menu. So this is a really fast entrance to go from here to the restaurant upstairs. Then if you come further here, we have our second part of the wine cellars. This is the wine that we have on our wine list. This is only a first part. We also have a second part a little bit further away for wines to age a little bit longer. So this is actually our small stock, to say. We have wines from all over the world. Big focus on Bordeaux because we're in a very classical region here. Also a lot of Burgundy. We also have a very nice selection of Madeira, as you can see here, because here in Roeselare we have Bert Juris, who has one of the biggest collections of Madeiras in all of Europe. So I hope that we will welcome you soon to have a very nice glass of bubbles or wine or Madeira here in Roeselare. Thank you.